Hello, this is Kai from the YouTube channel Travel, Camping, Living. Welcome to my first video in English, and today we're talking about my new van, a MegaMobil Mega Travel 2. We're here on the Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf 2025, and we will go now around the van and inside. So let's start in the front, where we have a winch from the Green Monkey, German manufacturer. They built in the one winch. It's an American winch, and it can tow 5.5 tons. We have light here in the front from strands connected to the MAN light. This is basically an MAN TGE 3.5, 3.2. And we also have a lot of light up there because we tend to go to the northern Europe, where it's pretty handy to have a lot of light at night. As well, we have a snorkel from Bravo. That's something we need if we go into the desert or for water, which is quite handy. It's a bit busy. It's a lot of work to add it to the van, but we had a good mechanic and he did a perfect job. We also did Raptor on all the plastic parts that you see here, on the mirrors and all the way down here. All the plastic parts are Raptor. In the front entry, this is the Alpha Dynamic Trittstufe in German. I don't know really the English word. Stairs, yeah, right, stairs. They go and hide directly under the car, so they are really nicely hidden. You're not losing ground clearance when they are inside, so it's really handy. They are illuminated, very nicely made. Of course, roof carrier from Roll, German manufacturer, handmade, custom made. Really high end. It's not cheap, but it's really good. A lot of lights on top. We have a terrace on top, solar panels. So whatever you need for your van, you can find here. We did some foil on the side of the van. It's not too much, it's just a little bit. This was done from a German friend, Refined Styling in Bavaria. Really great job, really nicely done. And of course, don't forget the rims, the wheels. That's Delta 18-inch, really nice, really big. In the end, we have carrier from Caravans. The brand is called Desert, DSRT. They are located close to Stuttgart, German, and they have really nice finished boxes, as well as wheel carrier in the end. That's what you see here. So you better have a spare tire if you go off-road, and that's what we put here. 18-inch, really nice, heavy, but that works well. All right, let's go to the other side of the van. Here we of course also see the wheels. We have up here also from Roll the carrier where we can put sandboards or a canister with additional diesel. And one really special thing, if you climb up these stairs, you find the terrace on top of the van. I don't know if the cameraman wants to go up there. If you want to, be careful. And then you can have a look. We put some boards up there, and the solar panels nicely made and enough space for 1 or 2 people. Very important, of course, if you go up there, you don't want to be that it's slippery or something. So this is really, I don't know how to say in English. It really, I mean, your shoes stick to that. You can't slip away. It's really well made. And I tried it several times. I didn't fall down yet. Yeah, so I would say we're around. So this is a four-wheel drive, as I think I didn't mention yet. It has 200 horsepower. It's a 3.200. In the end, this will go up to 4.2 or 4.5 tons. So we cannot manage with 3.5 tons. That's just impossible. It's too heavy, all that stuff. And yeah, I would say now let's go inside. As you can see here, it's a bit different than other vans, because this van, I said it at the beginning, is for two people. We have a smaller dinette chair. It's just for one person to sit there. This is not an official seat for driving, so it's just for sitting. And of course we have here the normal standard seats that you can turn around to have a cozy atmosphere here. As you can see, this gives us a lot more space in the front of the van. It's really a nice ambient, especially also with the ambient light of MegaMobil. That makes it really a nice feeling, and you have a lot of space in the front here.
What is that?
That is actually, you can increase the seating space by 10 centimeter if you push that in. Give me a second. That goes better like that. So then you're clean here with the refrigerator, but of course you can increase that a little bit for a more comfortable sitting. Down here is the Timberline heating. That's one of the air blower that you see here. We have several air blower implemented in the van to have it warm and cozy. It's a 6 kilowatt heating, which is really usually used for overlanding trucks, but we implemented here the technology into a standard van, let's say. We have an induction cooker, 2 plates. It's probably 3.7 kilowatt. We have an inverter integrated in the van that can manage that, because we implemented the EcoFlow power hub with 880 amp hours of capacity. So really powerful, really a lot of power, because I'm living in the van constantly, day by day. I'm working here, living here, driving, and I need a lot of energy.
We have a big
we have a big sink, yeah, really big one, nicely made, and of course a lot of space back here for cooking or preparing or whatever. And of course all the way down here we have a lot of space and chocolate everywhere. So that was very important for me, to have a lot of space here, to be not limited by space during my daily life. Then, as you can see, usually the refrigerator is not here, but we put it here. It's 140 liter refrigerator. It's really a big unit with a big freezing compartment. Of course it eats up a bit more energy, but as I said, we have a lot of battery capacity, so that doesn't matter in the end. For me it was important that I have a big fridge, that I don't have to take care about what I'm buying. It's just, I want to have it. Here we have a max fan that blows either air in or sucks it out. This is from steel. That's just a cover that you can put here, and then it's blind and black and no light during night. Yeah, let's look at the bathroom. That's basically the standard bathroom of MegaMobil, but we put 2 of these outflows. Usually there's just one, but I was asking for 2 because that's easier in the daily living.
We have a special toilet.
Yeah, that's a BOTO, that's a dry toilet. You can open it. So in the front the liquid, in the backside the rest. Really good, perfectly working since 4 years, really easy. Yeah, and we have the sink in the bathroom. open
I love
it.
that idea.
Yeah.
With,
It's really nicely made from MegaMobil.
and also, I love this door.
The mirror door,
Yeah,
the secret door. Behind you find the shower equipment, and there's a lot of space, plenty of space for showering. It's great idea of MegaMobil.
Okay, maybe let's go outside.
Yeah,
back.
to the back. Yeah,
Okay.
I follow the cameraman.
Okay.
It's a big car, 6.80 meters, quite a few meters to walk. Here we have a bed that we can lift, so that brings more flexibility in the backside of the van. So if you have to put a washing machine inside or a bike or whatever, it's easily to manage. And if we put the bed all the way up, we can have a look at the electronic department. It's even nicely warm in here. So that's the EcoFlow power hub with the brain and the two big batteries of 880 amp hours in total. That's quite an effort to put it in, but once you have it in, you're a really happy man or woman.
Yeah.
We have also here a display where you can check all the details. Of course, that also runs on an application that you can download, and then you have it always in the pocket. This storage room for table or chairs, whatever you want, or you put beer inside, doesn't matter.
Have both in both doors.
Exactly. We have an opening mechanism that keeps the doors steady in this position. It works really well. We have additional lights because of the things that we have at the rear side, outside. That's kind of mandatory in Germany at least.
And this is the hydraulic, yeah?
Yeah, that's the hydraulic for the doors to keep it steady.
Okay. We have some
Yeah.
back here.
Electricity outlets. We have 100 liter of fresh water, I think 80 liter grey water. Basically enough for one person because I'm traveling alone, so I can work with that easily for 1 or 2 weeks, depends on how much water I consume during the day. Usually it's quite little. The tank is here. That's the access to the tank. Here.
Blinder, mosquito.
Yeah, on every door, also at the entrance. And what we also have is a digital rear view mirror that we see in the front,
Okay.
where it's usually. And the camera we put up here on the roof carrier. That's the camera for the rear view mirror, and that's the camera for the standard MAN camera that you use for parking or something. It's really handy, such a digital mirror for the rear side. Yeah, that was the way around and inside my van, and now we have another person here. That's Laszlo, the dealer MegaMobil from Romania, Hungary. And yeah, hi,
Yeah.
nice to see you.
Nice to see you. We thank you a lot for this great project. I know you have hard time. You work a lot with Nico and Mona together. All our customers follows you, which knows about you, and they are interested in this kind of project. So we want to thank you to be with us in the team, and would be big pleasure to us to see you soon in Romania, or probably you cross also Hungary. So thank you, and just follow us in all the social media. Thank you, MegaMobil, and see you soon, guys.
Thank you very much. I've been to Romania already once. It was an awesome trip, and I will be back. And if you want to see how it works with this van, just follow our YouTube channel, Travel Camping Living. We will go to the north end of September. You will see northern lights, you will see cold temperatures, and you will see how this van works. Thank you very much. Bye bye.